Today, I'm going to show you how to create a pixelated to focus effect where your video starts pixelated and then gradually clears up into full focus. It's a cool transition for intros or to reveal a scene with some suspense. Let's get started. First, open your project in InShot and tap on the clip where you want to add this effect. Next, tap on effect from the bottom toolbar. This will bring up the full list of effects you can use. Make sure you're in the effect tab, then scroll over to the fade tab. Here, you'll find the mosaic effect. Go ahead and tap on it. This effect creates that pixelated look we're going for. Once applied, you'll see a value slider at the bottom. This controls how intense the pixelation is at the start. Slide it to the right if you want a more heavily pixelated start, or keep it lighter with a lower value. Below the slider, you'll see two icons. The left one applies the pixelation at the start, fading it out into focus. The right one does the opposite, pixelates the video at the end. For this effect, tap the left option to make your video start pixelated and gradually come into focus. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit the check mark to apply it, and that's it. You've created a smooth pixelated to focus effect using InShot, perfect for creative intros or transitions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more InShot editing tips.